Hi there, my name is Andro and I work in the engineering department at Leatherman here in Portland, Oregon. Ever since we came up with the Freestyle and Freestyle CX, that's all I carry. They are the perfect pocket tools and I love carrying them with other bike-specific tools that don't have pliers or a knife blade when I go mountain biking. The idea behind the Freestyle is simplicity without sacrificing functionality. When you fold up the Freestyle, it's as small as a pocket knife and just as easy to carry in your pocket. But unlike a pocket knife, you get a handy set of pliers and wire cutters when you open them up. In addition to their great compact size, the Freestyle models weigh less than 5 ounces. Both Freestyle models are made from 100% stainless steel. The Freestyle CX has a black premium coating called DLC that reduces the scratching and corrosion. Both tools have handle inserts for strength. To keep it lightweight, they are made from satel on the Freestyle and carbon fiber on the CX model. Both models have an outside accessible blade that can be opened with one hand and locks with a strong liner lock mechanism. The blade on the Freestyle is a combo blade, half straight and half serrated. The blade on the CX model is straight and made from premium 154 cm stainless steel. 154 cm is treated at a much higher temperature for an optimum balance of strength, rigidity, and edge retention. The Freestyle and Freestyle CX are true pocket-sized multi-tools. Perfect solutions for those who like the blade access of a pocket knife but would like a little more functionality. Camping, biking, general lightweight DIY projects, anything you would use a pocket knife for, the Freestyle is your tool. And even though the Freestyle is small, just like all the Leatherman multi-tools, it packs a full-size 25-year warranty. Remember, you can always find more in-depth information about our specific materials, warranty, and much more at leatherman.com. And hey, if you're ever in Portland, stop by and take a tour so that you can see how Freestyle and Freestyle CX are being made.